Now taking square on both sides, under root x minus 3 whole square, 2 and 1 by 2 cancel is equal to 1 square. X minus 3 is equal to 1. Minus 3 become positive 3 when we take in the right side. 3 plus 1, 4. X is equal to 4. It means we have x is equal to x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and x is equal to 4. Now we put these roots in our given question, so that we, after checking that if left hand side is equal to right side, we can say that these are the root of given equation. If left hand side is not equal to right hand side of the given question, then we can say this is an extraneous root. So let's check. How to check? By putting the value of x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and x is equal to 4. Checking. Under root 2x square minus 5x minus 3 plus 3 under root 2x plus 1 is equal to under root 2x square plus 25x plus 12. 2 into minus 1 by 2 square minus 5 into minus 1 by 2 minus 3 under root 2 1 by 4 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 under root 2 2 the 5 plus 1 6 6 by 2 minus 3 under root 3 minus 3 0 plus 3 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So plus 3 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 plus 3 into 0 0. Now left hand side, 2 into minus 1 by 2 square plus 25 into minus 1 by 2 plus 12. 2 1 by 4, 1 1 are 1, 2 2 are 4 plus minus 25 by 2 plus 12. 2 1 are 2 2 2 are 4 minus 25 plus 1 minus 24 by 2 plus 12 under root 2 1 are 2 2 minus 12 plus 12 under root 0 is equal to 0. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the root of given equation. Now we check x is equal to 4 in given equation, and the equation is, given question is 2x square minus 5x minus 3 plus 3 under root 2x plus 1 is equal to under root 2x square plus 25x plus 12. 2 into 4 square minus 5 into 4 minus 3. 2 4 4 is 16 minus 20 minus 3. 16 2 is 30. 32 minus 5 4 is 20. 4 4 is 16 minus 23 under root 12 minus 3 9 under root 3 plus 3 under root 2 into 4 plus 1 plus 3 under root 2 4 is 8 plus 1 plus 3 under root 9 plus 3 under root 9 becomes 3. 3 plus 3 is 9, 12. Now we'll check right hand side. 2 into 4 square plus 25 into 4 plus 12. Now 4 4 is 16 plus 25 into 400 plus 12. So 16 to the 32 plus 100, 112, 112 and 32, 144, under root 144. 144 is the square root of 12. 12, 12 are 2 to the 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, 1 1 are 1, 2, 4. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means x is equal to 4 is also the root of given equation. So solution set becomes minus 1 by 2 and 4 because both these are root of given equation. Why are these the root of given equation? Because x is equal to minus 2 we put in the given equation, and after putting the given equation we can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side for both the roots. So we can say that solution set is equal to minus 1 by 2 and 4.